everyone, Chef Anna here again, and we're back with another Farm Fresh Challenge Texas Tuesday recipe. In today's demo, we're going to be featuring our Texas Caprese Salad with locally grown Texas tomatoes. In your curbside meal bag, you should have received a container with the following: our Caprese Salad mix with, of course, locally grown fresh Texas tomatoes, some sliced cucumbers, shredded mozzarella cheese, and of course a container of our house-made Caprese Vinaigrette. Want to make a vinaigrette at home? It's super easy. Simply take 1 cup of oil and 1/3 of a cup of vinegar, then add your own herbs and spices for your own special blend. Now that we have everything we need, we're going to go ahead and get started. All we're going to do is take our shredded mozzarella, sprinkle that over the top there. Then we're going to open up our vinaigrette dressing and pour that over the top. Then we're going to pop our lid back on and give our salad a shake. And there you have it, our Texas Caprese Salad complete with local, fresh Texas tomatoes. Want to take this recipe up a notch at home? Simply add some fresh basil. One thing you absolutely have to have though is some fresh local tomatoes. Let's take a look at why tomatoes are so good for us. Did you know 1 tomato can actually provide 40% of your daily recommended vitamin C? Tomatoes are a great source of a ton of different vitamins. Vitamin A, which supports immunity, vision, and skin health. Vitamin K, which is good for your bones. Potassium, which is a key nutrient for heart function, muscle contractions, and healthy blood pressure. And most importantly, vitamin C, which does all kinds of things for our bodies, like building up our immunity system, helping reduce the risk of chronic diseases, managing high blood pressure, lowering the risk of heart disease, and also the absorption of iron in our diet. Thank you for joining us for another Texas Tuesday recipe featuring Texas tomatoes. We hope that as you enter the summer months filled with great farm fresh produce, that you're encouraged to try new things to fuel up your body so you can fill up your mind. See you next time.